For anyone who haven't heard about SATs, it is state akin to sleep, which is usually a drowsy state before you sleep. Now, let's start the story. Over the past few months, I've been experimenting with the law and trying to find the best way to manifest multiple things at once. So instead of focusing on one scene at a time while doing my SATs, I've found something that works really well for anything. First, let me ask you, how do you feel when you receive the best news of your life? Or when someone tells you something that makes you incredibly happy? Or when everything in your life seems to be going so well, and you feel like you're at the highest of highs? We've all experienced that at some point. Reach into your mind and remember how you felt when your life was the best it's ever been. Now capture that feeling and fall asleep with it. Easier said than done, I know, especially if things aren't going so well for you. Just remember, your subconscious creates reality. Your imagination is the projector of reality. You don't need to imagine any scenes. Just conjure up whatever thoughts you need to achieve this feeling. You're gonna go to sleep tonight in the mindset that literally everything in your life is going perfectly. You are happier than you've ever been. Truly capture this feeling and fall asleep with it. This will trick your subconscious mind, which will then begin to trigger a series of events, which will lead to the 3D reality catching up with your imagination, thus giving you actual reasons to truly feel this way. This works beautifully. It takes resistance away from specific things that you're trying to manifest. Those things you want badly will actually manifest because that is what will lead you to this feeling that you've been imagining. I would recommend you try to hold on to this feeling of happiness and gratitude all day long. Keep reminding yourself that your life is perfect. However, the most important part is that you fall asleep each night with this feeling. Give it a few weeks. You will be astounded at how this changes your life. Just try it. Good luck. Subscribe if you liked this video. Happy manifesting.